Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to merge columns using Power BI Query Editor. So for this, we will go in Power BI. We'll open the dataset, which is merge, open. Now to load Power BI Query Editor, make sure that instead of pressing the load, you press transform data. Click on it. So now your Power BI Query Editor is active. Click here. Used first row as header. Now select all three columns. We want to merge all these three columns. Right click on it. Merge the columns. Keep space in between. And the new column will be having the name full name. We'll give the name as full name. Click OK. You can see all the three columns have merged into a single full name with a space in between. So this is how you can merge columns using Power BI Query Editor. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.